going to do the cool new Tesla thing and find out if the butthole command works on my Tesla. What that is you can hit this button for voice control, and you can change the radio, open the glove box, open glove box. See, glove box opens. Hooray. People on the interwebs are saying you can say open butthole, and the charging port will open. So right now, little chargy thing, see it's closed right there. Hooray. So let's see. Open butthole. And the charging port is open. So can close butthole. And it closes. I'm guessing that's Elon being Elon. So let's see charging port maybe. Open charging port. Yeah, so same functionality, and those two words don't sound anything alike.